But that's from being out in the ocean and stuff like that. They kind of get that green
See if you can get a close.
algae
Mine
on.
won't zoom in on close.
But yeah, they're cool, aren't they?
Why is he up here this time of year?
Huh?
Why is he up here this time of year?
Oh, well, they love the warm water. They don't like the cold. But folks, that's the way it is in the manatee world. And I don't think we're going to change that. But, yeah, they're cool, aren't they? Now, they'll live to be about 50 to 65 years old. And they probably live longer than that. But that's the longest one has ever lived in captivity. So, they're right now. And start taking people out on the river for 25 cents. Is that cool or what? Let me get turned a little bit. Yep. So that boat's actually dated 1890 there. Yep.
Oh, I see it.
You guys all see it okay? I'll spin a little bit. But last trip yesterday, one of the guys on the boat, he told me he saw the Florida sticker on the side of the boat. I said, I don't think so. I don't think they were doing. The water here is 60 feet deep. Look at this monster. 400 million gallons a day are coming out of the ground here. 400 million. Well, guess what? That's what the city of Tampa uses every day, 400 million. Now, if you were trying to fill up an Olympic-sized swimming pool, you could fill it up in 45 seconds with the water coming out of this spring. Now, folks, if you look down there, you might see a spotted guard, you might see a snake, you might see a cell phone. I mean, I've seen all these things down there, but they do send a diver down once a month to clean everything up. And folks, they also clean up these statues that are coming up in the front of the boat right here. These three statues are called Zeus, Poseidon, and Hades. They're supposedly three Greek gods. And they were used in a movie called Never Say Never, which was a James Bond movie. And they were also used in a movie called Boomerang. Yep. They've been down there for 65 years. They're pretty cool, I think. Now, they're made of an ancient material. Can anybody guess what these statues are made of?
Cement.
A little bit of cement down by the bottom. Fiberglass up top. Now, did everyone see the statues okay? Huh?
No.
Okay, you guys didn't see them on the left?
No,
Just sat
at the
on the right-hand side. No, I'm just kidding. I'm going to spin the boat so you guys can see them. And I can understand. They're about 40 feet in the water. So if you're not looking at them from the right angle, they are hard to see. Hang on, sir. We'll get it so you can see their face. Can you start to see them down there now, sir?
Yeah.
How's that?
Perfect.
How about now?
There we go.
How's that, my friend?
Yep.
Now, folks, if you want to take your picture with these statues, you can. I'll tell you how to do it. What you got to do is go over, see them down there, sir, right down there, so three of them right there. Maybe you can see them a little bit better with the sun on them. So if you guys want to take your picture with these statues,